Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So I wanted to share with you my new iPhone 13. It's in pink, even though it kind of looks like off-white in this video, but it's a very light pink, and the edges are like a metallic pink. But I really like the baby pink color, so that's why I chose pink. The other color I thought was cute was the white. So, yeah. So I'm going to look for a case and Popsocket for it, and I'm going to show you which one I pick. So I usually get my cases at Target and my Popsockets at Target. Now, if I don't go to Target, I usually go to Amazon and get my cases. But there's a certain case I want that I saw at Target. And it's the Casemate like glitter case, and it says it's $44.99, which is crazy. That's why I was standing here for a while, because I was like, do I really want to pay $45 for a case? So I'm kind of looking around, and I see they don't have much for iPhone 13, and all of them are like $50, $45. And I really want a case that shows my phone's color. So that's why I think I'm going to go with that one. But I also like the cases that have the Popsocket already on it and the otter boxes. So I was thinking of someday getting that one when I no longer need to have a clear case. But right now, since my phone is new, I would like for people to be able to see the color of it, because that's the reason I bought it, is the light pink color. So they really don't have a lot of iPhone 13 yet. So next I'm going to look for the Popsocket. They have some really cute ones, but I want like a premium one that's a little more substantial. So I ended up over here. They have like the metal ones, and there's one that has glitter in it. And these are all $15. I think most of them are $15. I think you can get some for $10. So now I'm going to show you which ones I got. So I ended up getting the Casemate Twinkle, but just the twinkle is at the bottom, so you could see the color of the case. And it's supposed to be very protective. So I thought this was a good choice. And I've had a Casemate case in the past, and they're very sturdy. And for the Popsocket, I got this one. And it looks like it's dripping silver. I thought that was so cool. And so I'm going to put it on my phone and show you what it looks like all together. So here it is all together. I think it looks super cute. And it matches, all of it matches really well. And I love the Popsocket so much. I almost got the one with pink glitter in it, but I feel like this one is more subtle and it matches the little apple. So I just wanted to share with you my iPhone 13 and show you my new case and my new Popsocket. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.